Okay, now I'm making some cupcakes. I'm making cupcakes. Well, actually, no, I'm making arancini balls. And what the heck hell am I doing? I have no idea what the hell I'm doing. Okay, let's just keep on moving. Just keep moving. Just gotta keep moving. Just moving while I'm making arancini. Arancini. Now I'm now I'm just holding my onion inside a cup for some reason. I don't know. This is weird. And now I'm just holding it in my hand. And guessing that I'm shaking it around a bit. Okay, I am concerned, and I guess that I probably would be too because my life decisions up to now have been questionable. Okay, so yeah, now I'm going ahead and chopping up my onions. I'm showing off my roller stock, which you need 2 cups of, and you need it to be defrosted and stuff. And you also need another bowl, so then you can put all your other stuff. I'm back and I'm wearing sunglasses since supposedly that's meant to help. And I don't think it does. It could, I don't know, it didn't help for me. Since, as you can see, I am slowly dying on the inside as I am chopping up onions. Please, if any of you have any tips on chopping up onions, please tell me them. They heal me, practically. Not really. I'm just saying that. I'm being dramatic. I'm being very dramatic. And just watch me chop up my onions, chopping up my onions, chopping up my onions, and I give up on the glass 'cause they ain't doing nothing, ain't doing nothing, ain't doing nothing. Yeah, they ain't doing nothing, nothing, they ain't doing nothing, nothing, no, they ain't doing nothing. I'm still chopping up my onions. Chopping up onions is practically death. As I'm chopping up my onions, yeah, I'm chopping onions. Yeah, just watch me chop up my onions. Chopping up onions. Yeah, just watch me chop these onions. And I'm still chopping onions. Just still chopping them. Still chopping them. Still chopping them. Okay. Yeah, I lost the video footage. Okay, so basically, you've already should have your stock melted. Then you've got your chopped onions, and you put them in a separate bowl. Then you add crushed garlic into the bowl along with other stuff. Then add two cups of balsamic rice to the mix with the stock and microwave it for 5 minutes individuals. While in between those, just stirring it very well, very well. And you Okay, now I'm back and I'm really sorry for the angle and stuff. Anyway, sorry for losing all that footage and stuff. So now I am just going ahead and I'm grating stuff. Just grating up my cheese, just grating up some cheese. Sorry about that cut, I'm just grating up my cheese. Just grating up that cheese, 'cause cheese grating is boring. Yeah, just watch me grate up cheese. I question all my life decisions every now and then. But at least let me just chop up, just grate up this cheese. And you want basically a cup of grated cheese, and it's basically a cup. I'm not saying that you should have a cup, but it's good to have like basically a cup of cheese because then it really just helps it just get all together and stuff. It just it's just beautiful, people. It's just beautiful. And just watch me be an entire goofball. Yeah, just watch me goofing around trying to figure out what to do. Now just let me grab something to stir it with, stirring with, I'm stirring the mixture to make those delicious arancini balls. Yeah, so yummy, in my tummy. And do not eat arancini ball mix like I am doing right now, unless it's okay with a parent or guardian. Seriously, just don't eat it. It can make you sick. Anyway, though it isn't poisonous or anything, it's just that it's not very good for use. And just watch me stir it up a bit more. Just stirring up my rice. Now just let me go and put that giant bowl away. No, I guess I'm not. While I grate up my cheese, I'm grating up my cheese. I need a cup of grated cheese. Cheese grating is very boring. Grating cheese is one of the worst jobs that you can ever have. So to all you professional cheese graters, I salute you with your efforts in your jobs. You must either you must be really bored, or you must be, or just thank you. Just don't listen to me. You're amazing. You're doing the work. Now I'm adding my chairs. I'm doing something. I just had to leave again. Just yep. Just I'm going. I'm just going. I've just disappeared into the void temporarily. Yep. Just I'm just gone. Just like temporarily gone. Just like pff, into the void of non-existence. Okay. Yep. Now I'm adding my cheese to my mix. Finally, then I'm going ahead and stirring it well, stirring it good. I'm just stirring it because it just needs to be stirred. It needs to be stirred, people. Just stir up that cheese into you arancini mix, people. I'm insane. Oh my god, what the hell am I doing with my life? Oh well. And I'm still stirring. Oh my god, how long does it take for a single person to finish stirring a mixture of like rice and garlic mixed in rice and stuff? Okay, then basically you're supposed to let it just let it sit for 2 hours and stuff. Seriously, just let it sit for around about that time. And I hope you like the image that I chose for the background and stuff, since yeah, it's adorable and anyway. Then you add two eggs to the mixed off. After that, also don't let the arancini mix sit in a fridge. Don't. You are not meant to do that, and I will imaginary slap you if you do. Seriously, trust me. Okay, now I'm just going and making my stuff. Now you get like a spoonful of that sweet succulent arancini ball mix. Anyway, so yeah, you just get a like nice good scoopful. Then you just like put in a bit of cheese in the middle, and you clump it up into a nice ball. Even though I'm explaining it way faster as I'm doing it, because it's faster to explain. And then you got your rice, and then you're going to need your breadcrumbs. Your breadcrumbs. You're just going to need them, people. You just need your breadcrumbs. So yep, see, I'm squashing up. I'm just squashing up my arancini ball, and then just let me finish circulating it. Then I'm just covering it in those breadcrumbs. Yep, just covering it all up. Just just make sure that there's none of it showing. Hate when they do that. Now I'm eating my fingers off while I go and clean them. Since I don't know which is quicker, eating them off or washing them. I don't know. Weird questions of life that I somehow have invented. Okay, so you're gonna use up the rest of the mix that you've made, and you're just gonna keep on doing that. You just gotta keep doing it, and then if you have leftovers, just don't worry. If you have breadcrumbs, you can make meatballs, since meatballs are yummy, and you can go free hand with how much spices and salt you use. And if you have any leftover trees, trust me, this is just experience. The best thing that you can do is just to eat it. Then you have to, then you will have to deep fry the arancini balls in coconut oil. Like just carefully plop them in, and then you gotta like carefully scoop them out. Like I'm no pro. In fact, I've never even deep fried anything. But yeah, that's basically what you have to do. If I am correct, which I probably am not. Oh my god, it's so stuffed up. And here's an image of what I have made. And you might see one of these foods that are here that we are going to make in the next episode. So yay! Thanks for watching this. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And please comment down below what the heck you think that we're gonna cook and or create next time. And or if you want to actually see more of this. Seriously. I'd just love to know, since I want to know if I'm wasting my time or not, which I probably am, but oh well. So yay, thanks for watching this. Please subscribe, and I've already said this, okay? See ya. Bye.